Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our third and final matchup in today's 2025 PFF Women's League Match Day. Again, I'm your commentator, Diego Cordero, and we are here for a major showdown between Stallion FC Laguna and Kaya FC Iloilo. Sara Castañeda caught out. Here's Passion, through to Chandler McDaniel, through on goal! And it's 1-0 to Stallion FC Laguna here at the 9th minute. Chandler McDaniel in behind. Haley Long trying to launch. Tolentine, she'll get on the end of this. Tolentine in behind Ube once again. Ube trying to take her down. Fails to do so. Tolentine! Saved by Liv McDaniel. Do catch our next match day next week, next Saturday. UP versus UST and Capital One versus Stallion. Sir Don, good footwork. Good strength. Crossed in. Finds a Stallion player. It's 2-0! Wow! Excellent work from Malia Sardon. Great strength. And the cutback was perfect. Sierra Castles. No chance for Fontanilla there. Here's Tolentine. Up against Ube. FEU against UP. Tolentine with the cross. In towards. Sent in. Met by Humphreys. Flicked on. Will it drop to a Kaya player? Here is a shot. Cleared off the line. Once again. Wide. Favor of Kaya this time. Here's Haley Long through the lines to Cuenco. Now at left back. Looking for the diagonal. It will go to Tolentine. Tolentine in behind. Kenshi manufacture a shot. Tolentine. Side netting. Still 2-0. Here's Tolentine. Good work by Raychan. Ball is sent in. It will drop to Sara Castañeda. Cisneros. Wide. Still no goal for Kaya. Strong header by Jenna Merrill. Tolentine in behind. Ube once again. Tolentine up against Kayla McDaniel. Tolentine cutting inside. Fake shot. Not once but twice. Tolentine! Save by Liv McDaniel. Here's Tolentine up against Ube. Tolentine with the early cross. Met by a Kaya player. Cisneros missing that. Gadag. Fontamillas. Looking for a switch. It's met by Kayla McDaniel. Using her height well. Here's Sara Castañeda to Cisneros. Not much space to work with. Here's Cuenco. Gadag. Some space at the edge of the box. Oh, 2-1. Kaya FC Iloilo respond in the 51st minute. But it's 2-1. Gadag with the long shot beating Liv McDaniel. And for the first time this 2025 PFF Women's League, Stallion FC Laguna concede a goal. Kaya FC Iloilo alive out of nowhere. Here's Tolentine. Foul, but referee plays advantage. Tolentine goes for the shot. Wide. Kaya, here's Gadag, the goal scorer. With space once again. Goes out wide. Chance for Kaya. The shot goes over. Cisneros usually in the box, out wide for now. Castañeda left for the fullback. Cuenco going for it. Wide. Here's Tolentine. To Mendaño. Looking for Tolentine again. Couldn't find her. But the ball will stay with Kaya. Here's Mendaño. That goes wide. Mendaño. Gadag. Cisneros in some space. Cisneros takes the shot. It's over. Alforque cutting inside. Alforque finding a teammate. Mendaño with the shot, but that's wide. An action-packed 90 minutes between two championship contenders, and it's Stallion FC Laguna who take home all 3 points.